What's going on, mother truckers? So we all know that from 18 to 20 years old, you could get your Class A license, but you have to drive within the state. You can't go cross state lines until you're 21 years old. Well, that is only 99.9% true. There are some states that actually don't let people at the age of 18 to 20 get their Class A, and one of those is New York. So as of today, the governor has signed, if you are 18 to 20 years old, you can get your Class A. Up till today, before the rule has changed, you could only get your Class B.
Till now, 18 to 20-year-olds could get a CDL Class B license, but they were limited to driving within state lines.
We can't get those goods from point A to point B if we don't have the truck drivers needed to transport these products.
In order to help alleviate that shortage, New York State is now allowing 18 to 20-year-olds to obtain their CDL Class A license.
We trust them to vote. We trust them to serve in our military.
And to be honest, I didn't know that myself. I thought that all 18 to 20-year-olds could get their Class A as long as they're driving within states. I guess I learned something new every day. But mother truckers out there that live in New York, if you're 18 to 20 years old, dang, you're so young. Man, I wish I was 18 again. But if you want to follow your dreams, follow your goals, you want to get your Class A, you do not have to wait until you're 21 now. You could get it today. So, mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Did you know that in New York, you could only get your Class B at 18 to 20 years old? I did not know that. You know, I'm only human. I'm just telling you things as I learn as well. But that's happening today.